Let's make a cinnamon bun like this. So soft, beautifully flavored cinnamon buns. Don't waste time. Let's go into the video. Joss Moses Kitchen.
With this recipe, we can make 12 pieces. Onto a pot, 240 ml milk, 113 grams butter. Just melt it, warm it to 110 degree temperature. Transfer to a bowl, add 63 grams of sugar, combine well, add 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. It should be instant and rest for 10 minutes. 560 grams of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 73 grams of brown sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Combine well. If there is any big pieces, make sure you make it into a beautiful powder. Onto a liquid mix, add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Combine well. Add the flour mix to the liquid mix and combine well. The dough will be loose and soft. Knead for 10 minutes. Drizzle oil onto a bowl. Spread it all over. Place the dough on the bowl. Cover it, place on a warm place and rest for 2 hours. Dust some flour on a clean surface. Remove the dough from the edges. Place it on the flour surface. Press the dough with the hands. No need of a rolling pin. Press it and make a sheet 12 inch and by 24 inches. Soft butter 85 grams. Spread it all over the sheet. Onto a bowl, 110 grams of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Combine well and sprinkle on top of the butter. Spread it all over. Make sure you leave 1 inch plain on one side of the sheet. Like this. Start rolling from the other end. Using your hand and the palm, just roll it tightly like this. Seal the edges. You will get a roll like this. Mark 2 inch thick slices of cinnamon bun. Cut with a knife. That's the first method. On the second method is using a twine. Like this. Give a knot and push it through. You will get a sharp, beautiful cut. Push the bottom of the cinnamon bun and lock and seal the bottom. Place it on a parchment lined tray. Cover the cinnamon bun onto a warm place for an hour. The oven 350 degree Fahrenheit. Cook it for 20 minutes. They may have a chance to have a light change in the cooking time. It's depend upon each oven. Remove from the oven. Very soft cinnamon bun is ready. Place the cinnamon bun onto a wire rack. Cool it down and enjoy beautiful cinnamon bun.
The cinnamon bun, it's ready. It's just half only because it's so good. I started eating. Just enjoy and eat. So good. If you want to put some glaze on the top, go ahead. I don't like too much of sugar. I like this way. So please subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.